In this video, you'll learn how to leave feedback on eBay. By following these steps, you will be able to share your experience regarding a transaction with a seller. This process is essential for helping other buyers make informed decisions based on your insights. Start by logging into your eBay account. Once you are on the home page, look for the My eBay option at the top right corner of the page. Click on it to reveal a drop-down menu, then select Purchase History. This section will display all your recent transactions, making it easy to find the order you wish to review. In the Purchase History section, scroll through the list of your past orders until you locate the specific transaction for which you want to leave feedback. Next to the relevant order, you will see an option labeled Leave Feedback. Click on this option to proceed to the feedback form. Now, you will be prompted to select a feedback rating. Choose from the options available: positive, neutral, or negative. Your choice should reflect your actual experience with the seller. After selecting the appropriate rating, you will need to write a brief comment describing the transaction. Ensure that your message is clear, honest, and respectful, as this will contribute to a constructive feedback environment. After composing your feedback, look for the Submit button at the bottom of the form. Click on this button to finalize your feedback submission. Once submitted, your review will be displayed on the seller's public profile, visible to other buyers. This transparency is crucial for building trust within the eBay community. As a final step, keep an eye on your feedback submission. Occasionally, sellers may respond to comments left by buyers. Monitoring these responses can provide further insights into the seller's customer service and willingness to address concerns. Remember that your feedback not only impacts the seller, but also assists future buyers in making informed choices. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next tour.